ياك دابا اليوم عندنا سوزوكي burgman 650. We're gonna be replacing the tires right here. So we took the caliper, which is 2 bolts. We took this. The shock absorber is 14 millimeter. And we took this so we can get to this bolt. The parking cable was blocking that bolt. Now we're gonna open the axle nut right here. That's the pin holding the axle nut, and then we open the axle nut with the 25 millimeter. So we're gonna remove it. There is a washer behind it. We remove that, then we tap on the axle gently so it can come out from the other side. We hold the wheel and we pull it. We pull the axle out, all the way out. Now our wheel is free to come out. There is couple washers you need to remember so you can put them back in place. This is how you remove the rear wheel on a burgman. So now we are ready to take down this tire and replace it with a new one. It looks really bad. That's it. Now on the front we gotta remove the 10 millimeter, and then we have to get a 12 millimeter Allen key to remove the axle on this side. We gotta start with the 10 millimeter first. Here we go. And we have to remove the calipers on both sides. Of course, the calipers are holding with two 12 millimeter bolts on both sides. Each side have a caliper on the Burgman 650. Suzuki Burgman 650. Here we go. After removing those two bolts, we need to just wiggle the caliper a little bit so the pads can get a little wider so we can take it out. So here we go. You can wait until you get the wheel little down so you have more space instead of touching the fender. In our case, we already remove it. We check the pads if they still good, because if not, this is the time to replace them. Right now we're gonna do the other side caliper. Here we go. Same thing, two 12 millimeters. Wiggle the caliper a little bit and take it out. Right now we're gonna open the 12 millimeter Allen key. It's the axle going from side to side on the fork. After opening the axle, we're just gonna hold the wheel and try to get it out. Just like that. Always wash the washers and how's the wheel look like, which side does it turn and everything. Or make a video or take pictures before you take it out So this is one of the washers that go to this side, and it goes here before, and the axle goes in the middle. The front tire is really capped. That can be because of wrong air pressure or other stuff, or it's just age. We're gonna replace in this tire and the rear tire. So the only thing left now is to take this tire down, either take it to a shop. This is the new set of tires we have. It's Ferrari Rosso Diablo. We tried those on a couple Burgmans and they hold on good, and they're pretty good tires. So we're gonna take them to a tire shop anywhere near us. If they wanna replace them for us, that will be great. And then we're gonna take them for balance in cycle gear, the closest cycle gear around us.
Good.
So we can have them balanced and replaced. This is tire shop, and this is after we finish. We just reverse the whole process to put it back together and make sure all the bolts are tight. After that, and make sure you have some grease around you so you can grease whatever needs to be greased. And that's how it looks. It drove fine, perfectly good after replacing those tires. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos, mechanic videos. Thank you, and see you next time.